Hey guys, here we have a Hampton Bay Frontera ceiling fan. This fan is yes, I did get one in my collection, and I this is the version I got on Roblox. So this came out of a house that one of my friends lived in. She used to live in that apartment, but she moved. But I put it in here because another friend of mine took that apartment, and she got the fan replaced with the Hampton Bay Caprice. But yeah, I gotta do a demonstration of this fan. Remote's right. My Saturn used to be here, but now it's at the other house in Delray Beach, Florida. Which I have to meet the inspectors here really soon. So, anyways, here's the light. Light has 3 levels. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. The second level. Anyways, here's low. Now this is the speed I keep it on usually, because the fan when it was installed in that apartment, it could only run on low because it was missing the remote. They had the newer Hampton Bay remote kit, but I didn't have the remote to it, so I just used my Hampton Bay remote. But I know I did leave some controls laying around some places. But I hope my parents did not do anything with it, so I may have to call them later. But here's low. As you can see, low speed's very nice on this fan, and this is where I leave it usually. The one at the Delray location does not have stars in the blades. This one does. That's about it for low. Medium. And here's the light. I'm actually going to turn the light off. This would be another speed I'd leave it on when I don't have the AC on. It's usually medium. And here's high. And yes, the fan is reversible. The reverse switch is on top, but I'm gonna normally not gonna do this, but I'm gonna flip the switch while it's on. I'm just gonna show high reverse. Alright, let's shut her off now. Probably going to take a little longer compared to my Frontera I have in my collection. She's still going. Well, it takes a long spin down time at least. There we go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe.